Hello, crypto enthusiasts, and welcome to the part 2 of the PawsMas mystery tax. As you can see right here, you can see my points, and you can also see my W pause right here. But a few hours ago, it wasn't like this. You just see your W pause and a clay stone, a stone or something. Now, this would intentionally hide your balance. Now, if you have been looking for a solution on how to restore your balance, on how to see your balance, then this video is for you. If you also want to know how to complete the 5th and the 6th tax in the PawsMas section right here, then this video is for you. If I click on PawsMas right now and scroll down to the very bottom, you'll see that I've been able to complete this very tax right here, and that's because I finally discovered how to do this. So it's really simple. You don't even have to stress yourself regarding this. Okay, I'm going to show you how I was able to complete these 2 tasks right now and make my balance appear. What you just have to do is to complete these 2 last tasks and automatically your balance would appear. Remember, Grinch stole your tokens, so you just have to complete these very tasks and your tokens will be restored to you. So let's just get straight into it right away. So for the word on board right now, you can see it's already checked. I wanted to show you that, but I have already completed the task before I was able to screen record. So what you just have to do is to click on the go button you see right there. You're going to see a go button there. Just click on it and automatically that is going to be checked. And the next one right here is the Christmas miracle. What you also have to do is to click on go. Remember, you were given some hours, and you can see right now my reward is 6,910. Okay, now once that time they give you elapsed, just come here and click on go for the 5th tax, click on go for the 6th tax, and automatically your balance would appear on the home at the home section. Okay, you can see my pause has now increased to 291, and this is basically it, guys. This is why I keep saying, if you haven't joined Paws airdrop, you want to join this airdrop right now, because this airdrop is still going on and I don't think it's ending this year. Okay, so you want to hop in right now so that you'll be able to get something out of this. New tax comes out almost every day, so it's better you join now and also benefit from this very airdrop. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you have any question, leave them in the comment section and I'll try my best to respond to you as soon as I can. If this is your first time stopping by, then be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any update at all. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Stay safe.